Imagine launching a product and instead of waiting months to see results, you test 5 different ideas in a single week, measure what works, and double down on the best one. That approach is called growth marketing, and it completely changes how modern businesses scale. Unlike traditional marketing, which often focuses on long-term brand campaigns, growth marketing is about rapid experimentation, data, and continuous improvement. Growth marketing is built on one simple idea. Don't guess. Test everything. Marketers run small experiments across different channels, messages, and strategies to see what actually drives results. These experiments could include testing different website designs, ad creatives, email subject lines, or pricing models. The goal is to quickly identify what works and eliminate what doesn't. This approach is often supported by A/B testing, where 2 versions of something are compared to see which performs better. One of the most important concepts in growth marketing is the growth funnel, which tracks the customer journey from awareness to acquisition, activation, retention, and referral. Instead of focusing only on getting new customers, growth marketers look at the entire life cycle and optimize each stage. For example, improving the onboarding experience can increase activation, while loyalty programs can boost retention. A famous example of growth marketing is Dropbox. Instead of relying heavily on paid advertising, Dropbox introduced a simple referral program. Users received extra storage space for inviting friends. This created a powerful growth loop where existing users brought in new users who then invited even more people. As a result, Dropbox grew rapidly with minimal marketing costs. Growth marketing is also highly data-driven. Marketers track key metrics such as conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, and retention rates. These metrics help businesses understand which strategies are effective and where improvements are needed. Instead of relying on intuition, decisions are based on real data and measurable results. Another key aspect of growth marketing is speed. Companies must be able to test, learn, and adapt quickly. This often requires close collaboration between marketing, product, and engineering teams. Many successful startups build growth teams specifically focused on experimentation and scaling. The main advantage of growth marketing is efficiency. Instead of spending large budgets on uncertain campaigns, businesses invest in strategies that have already proven to work. This allows companies to grow faster, reduce risk, and maximize returns. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how ideas spread rapidly through viral marketing and network effects.